Hi guys, I think we'll take this tank apart and see if it is a suitable candidate for radio control conversion. We'll do this handheld for a minute. Just hope that the camera focuses. Looking at the back end here, or the important end, it looks like we've got two separate motors driving two separate gear trains. So we should be able to have turning motion, drive one and not the other, or drive them in reverse directions. So we can turn the tank. Obviously that's the speaker, battery box, LEDs at the front there, and then looks to me like we can undo that and maybe get the turret off. So that'll be the next thing to do, see if we can remove the turret. Or it may be a matter of turning the turret so you can get to those screw holes that are in there. I'll put the camera back on the tripod. Right, well there's our control board. Don't know if I can tilt that so we can see it. So if I want to make it remote controlled, that's the bit that I've got to replace. Trying to read what's written on it. I think that's Toy State A04 PCB 296. I'm not sure if there's an I. CC 249 something that I can't read. hatch 34218. I'll take that controller board out just so we can see what it is. Well, if I want to reuse this controller board, the buttons just connect these contacts. So we've got 6 buttons and it just connects top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, and so on. So I could get a little relay set and solder them across those contacts. So that's a possibility. But the forwards backwards I want to do separately because I want to include steering. So a little bit more work there. Right, at the moment my decision is to put it all back together and let my grandchildren play with it. And at least I know what's inside and I know what I need to do if I want to convert it. Looks like at some time or other it was designed to have an on-off switch, but there's no switch there. That could be what those wires are inside that are just taped together. So that would be a handy modification anyway, just to have an on-off switch. Looks like we got it back together. That's always useful.
229er, this is Charlie 36. We'll go. Air support is on the way. Fire! Fire!
I won't press the other two buttons because those are the ones that play music that I think is copyright, so that'll get me a copyright strike on my video. So, job done as far as disassembly and reassembly. As I say, I'll let my grandchildren play with it for a while, I think, and then I'll consider converting it to radio control, because at least I know what's inside. I know that it's got two motors, so we can do the steering quite easily. And then it's a matter of, do I want to retain the other facilities, in which case I need to rig something up that will operate the buttons automatically or remotely.